In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alert messages in Bubble.io. We'll walk through this step by step, making sure you understand each part of the process. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Bubble.io. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. On the home page, look for the login button, and once you click on it, select the Continue with Google option. This will bring you to a login page where you can choose the Google account you want to use. Simply click on your account and proceed by clicking Continue to access your Bubble.io dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, identify the project you want to work on. For this walkthrough, we'll assume you're setting up an alert that will pop up when a button is clicked. So go ahead and click on your project to open it. Next, navigate to the Web Apps section of your project. This involves opening the editor where you can design your page's layout. In the Design section, you need to search for the Alert element. This alert element is what will display your message to users. Once you find it, click on it to select it, and then drag and drop it onto your page. Now it's time to personalize your alert. Click on the alert box and type in the message you want to display. You can customize the style by clicking on the Style dropdown. You'll see options like Success, Info, and Warning. Choose the one that's most appropriate for your message. Keep in mind that you can also create your own custom styles if needed. After styling the alert, you should adjust its size to fit seamlessly with your page layout. You have the flexibility to edit fonts, colors, and other styling options to match your design preferences. Once you're satisfied with how the alert looks, right-click on the button you want to use to trigger the alert. Look for the Start Edit Workflow option and select it. This action takes you into the Workflow Editor, where we'll set up the logic for displaying the alert. In the Workflow Editor, click on the plus sign to add a new action. Search for Alert in the Action menu and select Show Message in an Alert box. This action links your alert to the button so that clicking it will trigger your message. The workflow effectively handles the alert's visibility based on your user's actions. Finally, to ensure everything is set up correctly, click on the play button to preview your app. Test the alert by clicking on the button you linked earlier. You should see your alert message pop up as expected, signaling a successful integration. This simple feature can enhance user experience by providing immediate feedback or information. That's it. You've completed the steps to add alert messages in Bubble.io. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different styles and messages to get the hang of using alerts effectively.